Guys, Greg Hollier, come back to look at our DIY caravan. So we're going to have a run through with what we've done so far. So obviously you can see the gas tanks are in, but we'll have a look at that. Let's cue the intro and roll to it.
Take me away, right from the start, we'll blow away.
Alright, so there's a few things we've done. Let me try and remember what we've done since the last video. Water tanks are mounted. Obviously nothing's plumbed yet, no power yet, but water tanks are mounted. Suburban hot water is now mounted as well. As you saw at the intro, the gas bottles are in, gas lines are done, and at the rear, we've started building the rear wheel carriers as well. So let's go around the back and have a look at those. So rear wheel carriers are half done. What we've got to do with those is they've got to serve two purposes. This all actually folds down, which will support the kids' beds, which will fold out from the back. So we've got just a couple of hubs, and I've got them on sub-axles welded to this frame here. The reason I've done that is I want to be able to have spare bearings, so they all match what's on the car. So they'll be packed, two sets of spare bearings sitting there ready to go. Used all 4mm steel for here. Yes, I know it's a bit of weight at the back of the van, but I need this to be strong for two things. A, to carry these wheels, but also too, when this folds down, it's going to support the bed that'll fold out from up there. So look, I'll try and set the camera up and actually show you how this folds down and how the roof folds up. All right, let's go and have a look and see if we can make it work. So, looking at that, you can see that the roof pops up, and the wife's about to pop around the corner and be in the video, and you'll run away real quick. There you go, she just ran away. So, from here, from this ledge here, there'll be another piece that'll fold down out of that big cutout you see. That'll come out, and then obviously this frame here will then have legs popping up, supporting that. So that's what's currently on the build for now. As well as then my big thing is to get the rear wheel carrier done, get the lights done. From that, because we've got the gas fitted, which I'll show you as well in a second, we can then go and apply for our VIN number, and then with the lights done, gas done, we can go and get it actually registered. Now while it might have power or plumbing yet, we can go and use it, which the family are all just a little bit excited about. So look, let me try and show you inside as well what we've done with the Suburban hot water. Actually, let's come up here, and you can see here, that's just the Suburban hot water, which is really nice and easy to undo with one hand while I'm holding the camera. There we go, that's all in. As you can see, gas fit has been, that's all done. So other than that, let's go inside and have a look at that from the inside, and see what we're up to. Cheers. All right, so this is probably going to be shaky as I try and lift up this. So as you probably just saw, there's our front bunk. And under our front bunk, if I can lift that up, you see that? There's the Suburban hot water. Now I've just got a strap over it. Probably doesn't need a strap, but it's just me being overcautious. And as you can see, the gas running down there through the floor, which has to be all sealed up yet. So that gives a bit of an idea where we're at. One of the other missions is really weren't happy with the baskets that we had put into the kitchen. And we're actually, the boss has got me changing it, as you love doing. So where the really thick wire baskets, let's have a look at what we've got now. So these baskets are just temporarily sat in there. Those gaps are all going to change, and that's another mission there. So a couple of us even wanted to see what the, see if we can get back far enough. There's the kitchen. So I think the only thing left is I'll jump under the van and actually show you the water tanks, how I fix them to the bottom. I've probably done absolutely overkill, but hey, I want to make sure everything's all right, guys. So under the van, excuse my multiple chins, but you can see that if I'm going back far enough. Here, I built a special bracket off this center beam through the bottom of the van with angle all welded together. I made it all black and it's really hard to see with the camera. I don't know if that's coming up yet or not. Autofocus just isn't quite working. But yeah, so they're holding the two tanks. One on the left, one on the right. And then there's angle on the outside there. Now you can see the gas line running up on top of that angle, or underneath that angle. And then we've got our barbecue point out there as well. While I'm under here, you can see a bit of the suspension system. Let me just turn it around. So this is the timbering. This is a return rubber with a main rubber up here as a spring. We've got a drop axle giving us an extra 4-inch height, so I can actually interchange those and make the van 2 inches, 4 inches lower. That's totally interchangeable. As you can see, the tyres out the back. Sorry about it being all on an angle because the camera and its gorilla pod just don't quite fit under here. But yeah, that's a bit of a look what the van looks like underneath. So, I think I might leave you there. I'll try and do a bit more of a video while I'm finishing building the rear wheel carrier and that back section, putting the lights on and doing the kitchen and the settee table. So just a few things on. But hey, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos and keep track, yeah, hit the subscribe button. Follow us on Facebook, and hey, thanks for the comments, thanks for the questions. I'm not an expert, but I like to go and get answers from experts when I'm not sure about something, and I'm more than happy to share that information and knowledge. All right, guys, stay tuned and see you soon.